If you've ever wondered how your muscles actually contract and generate movement, stay tuned, because what I'm about to explain will completely change the way you understand your body, strength, and performance. This is the full science behind muscle contraction, muscle physiology, and the sliding filament mechanism, clearly explained. Muscle contraction begins with a signal from your brain. A motor neuron sends an electrical impulse through the neuromuscular junction, releasing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that triggers an action potential in the muscle fiber membrane. This electrical wave travels along the sarcolemma and deep into the muscle via T-tubules, reaching the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which releases calcium ions. Calcium is the key player. Without it, muscles simply cannot contract. Once calcium binds to troponin, it shifts tropomyosin, exposing active sites on actin filaments. The myosin heads attach to actin and perform the famous cross-bridge cycle, pulling, releasing, and pulling again. This is the sliding filament theory in action, shortening the sarcomere and generating force. Every movement you make, from blinking to lifting heavy weights, depends on this microscopic process happening millions of times per second. Muscle contraction also requires ATP, the energy currency of the cell. Without ATP, your muscles cannot contract or relax properly. That's why oxygen delivery, proper nutrition, and blood flow are essential for muscle physiology and optimal muscular performance. Understanding this helps you train smarter, prevent injuries, and improve overall strength. Before we dive deeper, if you're finding this explanation of muscle contraction, actin and myosin, sarcomeres, and neuromuscular coordination useful, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment sharing your experience with training, muscle fatigue, or recovery, and send this video to a friend who wants to understand how muscles really work. Your support helps the channel grow and allows more high-quality fitness and anatomy content to reach viewers like you. Now, let's look at the bigger picture. Each muscle group works in synergy with others. Upper body muscles like the biceps, triceps, and deltoids work with the shoulders and chest to lift and push. Lower body muscles like the glutes, quadriceps, and calves provide stability and power for walking, running, and jumping. Meanwhile, core muscles stabilize the spine and coordinate movement between the upper and lower body. Understanding the mechanism of muscle contraction, from neuronal signaling, calcium release, ATP energy, actin-myosin interaction to sarcomere shortening, is crucial for athletes, students, and anyone who wants to move efficiently, prevent injury, and maximize strength. Your muscles are amazing machines, and knowing how they contract, generate force, and recover is the key to fitness, rehabilitation, and peak performance. Unlock the full potential of your body by understanding the science behind every single movement.